In this video, I'll show you how to install the GTA 5 HUD UI mod in GTA San Andreas. Check my video description for this mod link. Select the zip and it will start downloading. Once this download done, check my video description for this second link. Select the create download link option and select download. And as you can see, dangerous download blocked. To fix this problem, select the three dot icon and go to settings. On left side, select privacy and security. On right side, select security. Select this no protection and select turn off. Go back to the site and select download. Once download done, you can go back to the setting and set this to standard protection. Once all this done, select this folder icon. Right click on this essential pack and select WinRAR and select open with WinRAR. Close stuff here. Right click on the game on the desktop and select open file location. Before doing this mod, backup your San Andreas folder, copy and paste it in same location. Rename it as backup. Once you're done, open the San Andreas folder. Drag and drop all these files inside of a game folder. Replace the file in the destination and then go back. Open this VHUD and drag and drop all these files except the README. Replace the file in the destination. Just scroll down and find this 14,000 KB. Just right click and select show more, send it to desktop create shortcut. Launch the game through the newly created shortcut. Now as you can see everything changed, same like GTA 5. Once you are in game, press the escape key and as you can see everything changed, same like GTA 5. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.